Hello student, today we will discuss the linear equation in two variable. It is the topic of 9th class maths. So linear equations in two variable is an equation that can be written in the standard form. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so where x and y are two variables that means it may be changed with respect to time. Okay, a, B and C are real number. Real number, that means it may be rational or irrational. A and B are not both 0. Okay. Some key properties of the linear equation in two variables. First, a variable raised to the power of 1. Okay. The highest power of each variable x and y is 1. Okay, we can see in the equations, we have equations 2x plus 3y equal to 12. The highest power of x is here 1, here is also 1. So we can say that the highest power of linear equation in two variable is 1. And you won't see the terms like x square, y cube, under root x or xy, etc. The second property of linear equation in two variable is no multiplications or divisions between the variables. So here you can see also 2x plus 3y, no sign of multiplication and division, only additions and subtractions, plus and minus. So graph is a straight line. When you plot all the solution to linear equation in two variable on a coordinate plane, they form a straight line. This is why it called linear, and you can see here. So this is a graph representation of a linear equation in two variable. It's so straight line. Okay, so that's why called as a linear equation two variables. So another property of the linear equation in two variable is an infinite solution, and it will see later stage. Student, here is some example of linear equation in two variable. So first is 2x plus 3y equal to 6, and we know what is the standard form of linear equation in two variable, that is ax plus by equal to c. When compare with its standard form, it means x equal to 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Okay, that means a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to 6. Okay, there is another example of linear equation in two variable, that is y equal to minus 4x plus 7. It can be rearranged. We have equation y equal to minus 4x plus c, and it can be rearranged, and it may be written as 4x plus y equal to 7. Okay, here is another example of a linear equation in two variable, x minus y equal to 0. Here is another example, 5x equal to 10. Here b equal to 0, which is allowed. Okay, so this equation, actually we have a equation 5x equal to 0, and we can written as 5x plus 0 into y equal to 10. Ultimately, when solve this equation, so we got 5x equal to 10. Okay, this is some example of the linear equation in two variable. Here is some example that are not a linear equation in two variables. first x square plus y equal to 5, because this is a not linear equation in two variables, because due to x square. Actually in previous slide we read the highest power of the linear equation in two variable is a 1, here is a 2, that's why it is not linear equation in two variables. Another example, 3xy minus 2 equal to 0, this is not linear equation in two variable. Why? Actually x and y perform the multiplication operation. Okay, so that's why it is not linear equation in two variables. 1yx plus y equal to 4. Why it is not linear equation in two variable? Due to 1yx. Okay, there is another example of this is not linear equation in two variable, because due to under root x. In previous slide we read about it. If equation under root x, if equation have a variable in under root x, that is not linear equation in two variable. So a single linear equation in two variable like 2x plus 3y equal to 12 has an infinite number of solution. Okay, this is a question. So to find the specific solution, you can choose a value for either x or y and then solve for other variable. Okay, so student, this is our question. This is our question, and let's suppose a value for x. Okay, so here actually let's x equal to 0. Okay, x equal to 0, put it in the equation. We have equation 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Okay, so when put x equal to 0, we got 3y equal to 12, y equal to 4. So 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 4 is the solution of the given equation. Okay, of course, if a student we will change the value of x, and let's suppose x equal to 3. Okay, x equal to 3, and put this value in the equation 2x plus 3y equal to 12, and further we will solve it, and we got 6 plus 3y equal to 12, and 3y equal to 6 and y equal to 12. So we got the value of x and y. What is the value of x? X equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Of course, is a solution of given equation. Further, student, we will suppose another value of x, that is x equal to 6, and put this value in the equation, and we got the value of 12 plus 3y equal to 12. Okay, so 3y equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So what is the value of x and y? That is 6 and 0. X equal to 6 and y equal to 0. Okay, but student, actually we want to verify this value right or wrong. So what is our equation? 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Put the value, this is x and y equal to 0. So 2 into 6 plus 3 into 0. 6 2 is 12. 3 into 0 0 equal to 12. 12 equal to 12. Of course, this is right. Left hand side equal to right hand side. It means the given value of equation 2x plus 3y is right. So here, student, we can say the solution of a linear equation in two variable have an infinite many solution. Actually, it is a property of a linear equation in two variables. Actually, a single linear equation in two variable has an infinite number of ordered pair of solutions, so that satisfy the equation. Of course, we perform the operation left hand side equal to right hand side, 12 equal to 12. Of course, satisfy the equation. So each point on the line represent a solution. Of course, that is the truth. So that's all about the linear equation in two variable. Okay, student.